Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I redid my crochet passion twist. Channel, we're here with another hair tutorial how to type thing, and I am doing crochet to my hair. I have the Twist Up X-Pression pre-twist passion twist color 2T1B for $25, and I got it for $6.99. I had a 6-pack, so here we go. But I did do this hair before. I retook it out, and I'm gonna do a different way. So here's the tutorial of how I did it. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. So let's get into these passion twists. So far, I just parted my hair, and I'm going to do this throughout the front, and then maybe the back will be the same, or I might just do like cornrow type thing. So what you're going to need is crochet needle, your comb, rubber bands. Make sure you put some oil in your rubber bands so your hair will not break. And then you're going to need some shining jam. So let me finish the parts. So far I got one right here, and just put a little bit of that jam on it just to get the parts neat. I'm just making sure it looks okay. My mirror is right there, so that's why I'm looking away. It's not going to be that tight. I'm just making sure it's secured on my hair, and then boom. So then I'm going to put a little bit of jam on my hair and some of my favorite oil on my hair. Because I gotta make sure it's moisturized, because I don't want my hair to be dry underneath these crochet. Then I'm gonna twist my hair going down. So I'll be back once I am done with the front. And I might just cornrow the back, I don't know. But yeah. So this is the back. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, so let's start with doing this crochet. Let's start with the crochet. I know my middle part isn't that middle-y, but I don't care. I don't care. Alright, let's start. You put the needle through your parting space. You take your hair, you open the latch, put it in the latch, you close the latch, you put the hair through, you take your hole, you take your braid or your twist, whatever. I usually do twists. People do braids. And then you just bring it on down. It covers the rubber band. And then you take your hair, you take your needle, you open your needle, and you just feed it on up. Once it's all the way up, you take your hair, hold the latch and you bring it down slowly because you don't want it to miss your hair. And then that's it. And then what you're gonna do, take some jam, put it on, open the twist, and just twist it in with the hair. And then just ravel it back up. And the visuals. Oh my God. All right, so we halfway done. Half of the hue. One more half left. And yeah, I like how it shows like my hair a little bit because I really want it to be a little bit more brighter and it's bringing like a little pop and a different look to it. So I really don't care and I like it. Hey, save your money. Save your money, save your money, do your hair. But all right, show you guys again how I did it. So let's start. Crochet needle, open the latch. The latch is open. You put your needle through the latch, through your part. You take your hair, open it up. You put it on the latch. You put it on the hook. You close your latch. You put the hair through. You take your hair. You put it in the hole. You tighten it. And I usually am going to just twist it on. I'm just doing mad different things. Twisting it. Or you can do it the other way that I showed you in the beginning. And then you open it up just for the end part. Get a little jam. Boom. You open up the crochet here. You take your hair and you just twist it. Going down. And that's it. Look at that. Nothing is showing. Let's do it again. So here's your part. Open hook. Open latch. I keep saying the wrong words. Whatever. Then you open it up. You put it on the hook. You close your latch. You put it through. You get the hole. You put your hair through. You pull on the hair. Then you can easily open, wrap, open, twist. And then that's it. But let me fix this little piece. Oops. Open it up and just twist it down. Boom. Nothing. Who did your hair? Me. Right, so I'm just gonna fix my edges. I put it in a bun, a ponytail. And then after I do that, I'm gonna show you different hairstyles you guys can do with this lovely hair. So stay tuned. Handy dandy edge brush. So I'm gonna do my edges real quickly. Nothing spectacular. So boom. So this is the first style. Edges on.
Thank you.